Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to replace some tail lights in a truck. This is a box truck we use for deliveries. I've already put one light in, changing from the old style to the new LED. This is the old style. Obviously you pop the light out. I've already got them all took out, but you pop the light out of the rubber and the rubber will still be in there. You just pull the rubber out. You won't need any of this anymore. This will all be set to the side. No use for it. And we're going to install some nice bright LED lights. I'm going to do this for the brake lights, turning lights, and running lights. But the backup light, I'm going to keep the original lights in there. But I went ahead and popped them out because I put a little paint here and kind of cleaned it up a little. Just to make it look a little better, I guess. Okay, let's get started. First off, the old plug is not going to work with the new LED lights. It's totally different. This is the old style, this is new. So what you're going to have to do is cut that off. Cut that off and go with your new style plug. Hopefully I'm getting all this on camera here. Stripping the leads back, getting everything ready to connect. Of course, there'd be several different ways you could do this. I like the blue butt-end connectors is what I'm going to use for this. Some guys use these little clamp-on styles. I don't like them. I don't care much for them. I think you lose connections and stuff over time with them. Put together here. Most of them should be color coded. Like this one's red. It's hard to see, it's got a lot of dirt and stuff on it. Red, black, and white. I've got my red, black, and white. But sometimes you can get into them and they'll be different colors. So you'll have to check with your meter and figure out which one's which and where it goes and so on and so forth. So you keep everything straight. On tail lights, white is always your chassis ground, so take our plug and plug it in. Got a little electrical grease here. Put our light in. This one's got, it says top. Put that towards the top. If anybody's wondering, these lights are made by Truck Light, model 44. They're actually called the Super 44s. Made by Truck Light. You can look them up. Really bright lights. Tough too, I mean. Tough lights. Okay, now what I do, you know, a lot of guys could just drill this and put some 5/16 or 1/4 inch screws in here and be good. But the area that I'm in, and we leave our truck sitting sometimes overnight, so I go with a rivet. And the only reason I do that is to keep theft. I don't know why, but guys will come in and steal these lights. They're a little pricey, you know, sometimes, but why they'd want to come in and steal your tail lights is beyond me, but they'll do it. So I drill holes and put in rivets. I'll go around and re-drill all these and put rivets in them, and we'll have this side done. That's a done deal. Let me go kick them on and see if they, make sure they light up. Alright. Good and bright. Something here to hit the brakes now. Should be just running lights. Now let me hit the brakes. Alright. Brakes in. That will work. Alright guys. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget, man, like and subscribe. I'm always doing weird things like this. Just never know what I'm gonna do on my channel. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.